Hello, my fabulous students. All right, this video is for those students who were able to both complete the activity yesterday where we were putting in the your total amount in your checking account or in your bank account into your budget sheet, and then you went above and beyond that activity and you actually filled out your budget sheet. The next activity I want you to do is I want you to practice making withdrawals per money category. This is what it will look like, okay? So here I have my budget sheet. I had a total of $57 in my bank account, and so I budgeted it out. $15 for savings. You are going to leave that in your bank account. You are not going to withdraw any savings in your bank account, okay? But for transportation, food, organization, and play money, you are going to make a separate withdrawal for each of these 4 items. This is what it's going to look like. I'm going to do one as an example, and then I want you to go into your bank account and your budget sheet, and I want you to make 4 separate withdrawals. I'm going to do the first one under transportation. So I'm going to come up here to make a withdrawal. I'm going to put as the description, transportation, because that's the budget item I'm taking it out of. Transportation. The amount, let me double check, make sure I have the amount correct. I do. $17 is the amount. Then I'm going to hit submit and confirm. And you have now successfully made the withdrawal of $17. That leaves me with a balance of $40. Now I want you guys to go do the same thing for your 4 categories: transportation, food, organization, and play money. I want you to leave savings in your bank account. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to what am I saying? My mind just went blank. Please don't hesitate to raise your hand and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you for watching and thank you for participating, and I'll see you back in the main room in a little bit.